Okay, what's up guys? It's Sunday, rabbit hole. Some new things in my room, a vortex behind me, new microphone, new headphones, and I guess final form for the Sunday. Let me know if you hear me good. I believe that microphone will working good. And what the fuck is that? Ads. Let's start with geopolitics. Iran says missiles off table in US talks, demands 300 billion in war damage. So that's one of the point to end of the war. They just need money from US. And I believe US taxpayers will be super happy with that, for sure. Thank you, Donald. There is no more information, some shit ads. Yeah, to be honest, that's all. Financial choice, let's check it. Okay, today some reds, impactful things. They want to make a peace deal. We'll see how it goes. And we will watch the technical chart because all of that news and things with peace can give us can confirm our technical chart. So I'm also optimistic for gold upside, but we go to it after macroeconomics. Yeah, to be honest, I hope that war going to be end, because it's a few months and there is no point to continue strikes, to be honest. What's up, Christian? Oh, I got the Discord call. Yeah, okay. Backtesting, preparing, can you? Yeah, I got a good day today. I visit some restaurant, walking outside and trying to repair my car because it's missing how to say that. Yesterday I got high temperature and I need to stop driving. I'm just stop on the parking and wait for temperature go down. I missed the word in English. coolant. It's something like a coolant. It's that liquid to the cooler. Yeah. Oh, but we got Monday tomorrow. Some news, low impact. We don't need to pay too much attention for it. Tuesday. Also low impact, building permits. So skip. Wednesday. Wednesday we got a final boss, another one of three. That was what I'm talking to you. Last week CPI. 2 weeks ago we got NFP, and now we got FOMC fund rates. So perfect. Week by week they attack us with one of the final boss. There is 3 final boss: NFP, CPI and FOMC fund rate. So we got it at Wednesday. And also at Wednesday you can prepare for bonus session 10 minutes before FOMC. Cool, I like it. Thursday. Unemployment claims as always, mid-impact. Yeah, they change it from red folder to orange at least. And Friday. Oh. Friday bank holiday in China, and also bank holiday in USA. So Friday can be slow, very slow, during Tokyo and during New York. Maybe only a London session can do something. But Friday, last day of the week, probably skip trading this day. Yeah, so again, Monday no news, Tuesday no news, Wednesday final boss 8 p.m. Central European time zone, Thursday unemployment claims, and Friday bank holiday, so skip. Let me know if everything is clean for you. Give me some feedback about the voice and quality of the stream, and then we go to the technical analysis. So 1 minute for you. monthly 3 months of retracement, starting with very big volume from all-time highs, and that volume decrease. We also falling slowly to the downside. We took out the monthly candle from the merge here. And what is interesting now, volume, we sweep that low, but volume goes down lower than before, so sellers are probably exhausted. I'm showing you this week on daily chart. We fill that week with full candles. We fill it completely. We print a fat candle to the downside, fat red candle, no bottom wick, no upper wick, and we are rejected by engulfing volume candle. I will prefer that candle will be smaller as a absorption model, but it is what it is. Finally, we took out this week, volume decrease, so lower low, sweep, but volume not go up. Let me show it. Lower low with lower volume. That's a good sign for reject below the liquidity sweep. And let's see what is deeper. We got some sell setup from here into the zone. We got also buy setup out of FIB level here. GG, disgusting. Almost 2000 pips. Very good move. And let's go for the 4 hour. We got the break of structure, break of the structure here. Probably accumulate or distribution, that's the question now. We got trap candle here. We got the fibs. We get the valid area high, perfectly reject here. So now we can measure it. Oops. Valid area high, point of control, 78 fib, 61 fib, big volume, good zone. So now we got a sells zone and we got buys zone. Sells, why this is sells zone? This is sell zone because valid area high. Or value area high, you can call it as you want. First, valid area high here. Second, fibs 61.78, and that little trap candle. Fib zone give us the biggest one, so I draw the fib zone here. We hit into trap candle. No, wait. Yeah, almost. And valid area high. Hit. So free confirmation for sells from where is that now, and now where is the target for sells. We got that liquidity sweep. We got that volume decrease after lower low. We got fat red candle, no bottom wick with rejected by engulfing volume. We got 4-hour break of structure here. So again, fixed volume range, a value area high, point of control. That was for sales. And we create new. Fibs 61 to 78. Also, everything is the same zone, you know. I'm just drawing the confirmation from the same zone. Why this zone is confirmed. Fibs and yeah, and that 3 is things with liquidity, daily candle, and volume. So we're drawing that arrow on Thursday. We also selling into Thursday. From Thursday we buying, and now we again want to sell here into GG, you know. I want to see it like that. I'm just telling you why these sell zones got confirmation and why that buy zone got confirmation. Until Thursday, everything play well. I don't get it. Yeah, I didn't send it. I didn't send it on the Discord. You can rewatch this session from whole week, to be honest. We're selling here. We're selling here. We're buying here. We want to sell here. And I want to buy again here. And with all that stuff, with volume, I'm just telling you how I want to see it. That's something different. I'm explaining you how I want to see things with sweeping this liquidity. We got lower volume, so I believe we can go somewhere around 5k for the bigger retracement, take out this liquidity. I want to see take out this liquidity, do the deeper pullback, accumulation, and go here. That's what I want to see now. If we make this low with higher volume than previous, if the volume on that low will be higher than previous, I will expect only pullback into somewhere here and make new low. But if we make that low with lower volume, I'm expecting sweeping of this liquidity, come back to $61.78, reaccumulate and move higher. I was explaining that at Wednesday probably, or Thursday. If you rewatch this session from this week, you will get me. That's not a talk about you know, I'm how to say that? Yeah, never mind. Never mind. I won't explain it more. I believe it's clean enough. Let me know if you got me. I believe it should be clean enough. If you rewatch that previous session, you will understand it, because here we're making a loss with volume increase. Higher volume than previous and lower low, sending us for deeper pullback, not reversal, for the pullback. With it, we're making another low, sweeping liquidity, but volume decrease. So it can be first sign of sellers can be exhausted, buyers just step in and want to push price higher. The perfect scenario will be sweeping of this liquidity pulls back into 61 to 78, reaccumulate for longer time and make another high. If we got bigger volume here, I will be looking more for something like that. But we got the lower volume, so my point of view is here. If there is no piece, we go lower, I believe. Yes, if we didn't get a piece between hamburgers and kebabs, she can go lower because gold doesn't care too much of technicals when geopolitics hits. But overall, technical chart looks like this for me now. And for market open, yeah, I want to see something like that. And I believe gold can be clean enough. Just let me know if everything is clean for you on gold. Man, that 5-minute chart looks like want to fly for real. I will not selling it. I'm waiting for buys personally. Five minutes looking like want to skyrocket, and they are just talking about peace, and I smell that peace is sooner than later, so market can act the same and just skyrocket. I will observe market open because there is a lot of possibility. If we break it to the upside, for me GG, you know. if we break it to the upside. Yeah, if gold is clean, just let me know if gold is clean for you, so we can go for the dollar and other pairs. I don't want to spend the whole session for the gold. It's 40 minutes on gold, so maybe can be enough. Clear. Okay, thank you, Christian. So gold is clean. Let's do the another assets, and if we had some time after analysis another assets, I back to gold again. Dollar moving so nice, almost hit the DP, back to the lower zone, reaccumulate, stop loss untapped, and for dollar give me the volume chart. Welcome, zero imbalance. Liquidity, a lot of liquidity. Yeah, to not complicate, I will do something like that on dollar or that's a dollar for me. Buys into zero imbalance zone, and if they print, oh, maybe I draw it bad. Buys into zero imbalance. If I see distribution to the downside, I will take sells. Into this liquidity, this bottom. There is something like a counter trend liquidity. And if dollar didn't print anything here, you can just continue with running to the upside. So what I recommend, buys after market open, maybe for the scalping only. If they print distro, break of structure to the downside, you can go break even or close your position. If it's close the zero imbalance without respect to holding. And I guess there is Phipps also. Yeah, 61.78. Silver looks better than gold. We got the cells, perfect cells. And silver can be just buys after market open. Break-even point is here. Why? Because silver can just sweep liquidity from here and completely reverse to the downside. So that's the break-even point. You lose nothing. And that 5-minute chart, I'm sorry, 15-minute chart looks very good to jump up. So that's silver. S&P, look at the S&P. 300 wants to hold it. So let's see. They sweep the zone. Of course they sweep it, but originally we got liquidity here. I want to see sweep of this liquidity and go higher. Maybe we go here. I probably skip the S&P. break of structure. Four-hour break of structure. Now S&P is tricky spot. S&P is tricky spot. She can go after sweeping this liquidity. She can go up. As we talked last week, you see, we talk about the S&P below 7,300, between 300 and 200. We talk about S&P of sweeping liquidity and go higher, and we also got the 7K zone. So I will be not surprised if S&P just run from where it's at now. I will be not surprised, and I also will be not surprised if S&P just dump into lower zone. So S&P is skip because it's hit first zone, first liquidity, so she can go to the all-time highs. What's up? What's up? Euro. Euro almost swept this liquidity, almost hit our zone. Let me measure it with Fibs. Yeah, they touched 61. Euro go down from where it's at now or sweep our liquidity OG our OG liquidity and go down. So euro still for me macro downside. GBP after first target 1 to 2.5 reverse, come back to the same zone, and for it I want to see downside. That position still is working, but yeah, that's a new one. So higher zone is still holding this structure. CHF, oh look at CHF, he swept the liquidity, our OG liquidity, of course first bounce out of 61 to 78, gave 1 to 7, come on, if your stop loss will be tight, and at least it swept our liquidity, pretty cool. What we do now is Fips here. And same as for dollar. I don't want to play that big stop loss. This this one is risky. We sweep that liquidity, we're talking about it from Wednesday or Tuesday, or I don't know, maybe even before market open last week. No, that was not. So maybe from Tuesday or Wednesday we talk about this liquidity. They already sweep it. They already sweep it here. So yeah. Bitcoin. Oh, you see, Bitcoin is maybe ready. We also talk about it from Wednesday or Tuesday or last week, I can't remember, but Bitcoin can be ready. No, I'm not calling trade on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin can be ready. I'm just send it. What is going on? I can't send screenshot. I can't send screenshot. Come on. It's empty. Why? They won't let me send more ideas. Come on. Come on. Why it's empty? Oh. How to do a screenshot on trade? Oh yeah. Still. Why I can't do a screenshot? Come on. Okay. So that's a Bitcoin. If you like to holding Bitcoin long term, that spot where we are at now is not bad for stacking it. If you think maybe he could not go for the 50k, you can just stacking it where is it now. I'm buy something here, 10%, another 10%, so I am 40% now. And I left 60 here. That's how I'm managing. I'm buying 30% here. Here I bought 10% and I left 60% for 50k. That's my plan for the Bitcoin long term. And we get oil at least. Oh man, look at that idea, man. Look at this. That was perfect. That was perfect. We crashed the market so hard last week, so hard. 1 to 7, come on. One to 7 and still running. And I believe oil can break it to the downside. These things, I think it's already breaking it. When I see how it's going down. And my final target for oil is here. Let's do the analyze for oil. But that idea, man, perfect. That was perfect. Also idea from this week. Sweep the liquidity and die. Status for our break of structure, but anyway, they do the break of structure to the downside again. Trap candle. Point of control. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We got Fips, we got point of control, we got trap candle, so 3 confirmations I like the most. If we do another low, I'm just discard, but if we get there, I will like it. Let me check the 1 hour. $15. I don't want to play risky on oil. There is probably zero imbalance on this candle. Yeah, for sure. There is probably Fips. Yeah, a bit higher. So that's the 2 zones for oil. And that's gonna be all, guys. Every asset, send. Pending order for oil should look like that. And see you at the bottom. That's for the long-term TP for oil. Let me know if everything is clean for you. Let me know if you have some question to some assets. And I can back for some assets. I can explain something. All clear. Okay, nice to hear that. EU gap up, so I'm interested in this idea for EU. Oh, GU. I still like sells on GU. Maybe she want to push higher. but from where it's at now, it's still good for south. So sells on GU active now, sells on EU waiting. Dollar do nothing. Gold waiting, S&P waiting, silver waiting. And that guy can die into the zone. If it's reached the stop loss, you wait for accumulation here. If it hits the stop loss, it's okay, you're waiting for accumulation inside the zone. We'll try to short BTC maybe. Yeah, we can look at the BTC. You see, we swept its liquidity. Yeah, that's the first spot for sales. That stop loss is not worth. Maybe stop loss here. This is worth. Stop above these highs. Maybe this is worth. But BTC, you know, when we got end of the war, BTC can fly so hard. Even to that point, or completely reverse to the upside. And I smell that end of the war is very near. It's close to us. So that's why I was talking about stacking BTC here is also a good spot, because maybe BTC never can come here. Will be perfect if we come here. But that was also good to buy something here. That was also good to buy something. We'll see, man, we'll see. Okay guys, that's gonna be it from myself. We got over 1 hour. I'm back at Thursday, 5 p.m. I'm sorry, Tuesday. I mean Tuesday. I'm back at Tuesday, 5 p.m. Wednesday, 2 streams, 5 p.m. CST and 10 minutes before 8 p.m. bonus session, and Thursday 5 p.m. You will get the schedule after the stream. Wednesday is bonus session for FOMC. So 4 session for upcoming week. And of course at Sunday. I will be active on Discord. If you have some question, you can just ask whatever you want. Tag my nickname. and send it, you know, and I will reply you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for being here with me today. We finished this session. Take care before market open. It's 40 minutes to gold market open. And yeah, have a good night, guys. And see you again at Tuesday. Yeah, it's hit stop loss, not worth. See you again at Tuesday. Bye bye.